Hello, Richard here from Eagle 6 Airsoft. I'm just going to be doing a quick testing video of this build. This is a Tokamori Delta in black, and this one has had obviously some upgrades, which is why we're testing it. So it's got a level 10 upgrade kit on this one, and I'm going to be reading all of these off for a little while. So we've got Eagle 6 M95 spring. On the specification was a 100, but we've changed it to a 95 to get to the FPS that we're looking for. We've got Psionic Thor hop-up bucking and tensioner. We've got the Laylax inner barrel 275 for this particular one. We've got the Prometheus 6mm bearings. We've got the Prometheus EG hard gear set, the 20:1. We've got the Eagle 6 upgraded recoil spring for obviously enhanced recoil on it. We've got the FPS spring guide, FPS piston head, FPS carbon fiber piston. We've got the FPS cylinder head, FPS cylinder. We've got the FPS Air Nozzle. We've got the Laylax tappet plate for new V2. We've got the knocking things over. We've got the hard selector plate from Prometheus. We've got the hard anti-reversal latch from Prometheus. We've got the Gate Titan NGRS rear wired, the advanced edition. We've got the Warhead Ronin motor 31K that was changed over from the Warhead high speed normal black that they do. We've also got on here an order for the Magpul MOE SLS stock modified to fit the NGRS. So we've done that and we've installed that on there, as you can see. So this one's got enough space for a 2600 LiPo from Vapex Tech, and it's all installed in there. And then in order to get to it, you have to screw these screws, just take off this butt pad, take out these end caps, and then just pull the stock out. So it's these are available if people need to order these, because we do get requests after these videos. On the website, you just choose the option for pre-modified for NGRS, and we'll make the modifications for you. Or if you don't want it modified and you want to do it yourself, just like I say, order it without the modification, then you can like I say, do it yourself. We've also added extra on top of the bill, the order that wasn't on the bill. We found we needed a Laylax pin in there because the original one kept falling out, so we've kind of done that to save you having to do that later. So the only extra charges I think extra on the bill would be 2 extra batteries that have been requested. I think there's the upgrade from the Ronin, the high speed to the Ronin, and obviously that pin itself. So but I'm just going to demonstrate it working now, and hopefully everything's all good. There you go, so trigger response lovely and fast as you want it to be as well. I literally have to move my hand like that just to be able to fire that quick. So, go. So a nice quick rate of fire on that 2600 battery. Obviously on these recoils, a combination of gear ratio and motor is obviously what gives us our ultimate rate of fire, and then obviously depending on the size of battery, sometimes you get a small little bump, but yeah, it's going lovely. Cool. So all tested, and there you go. So obviously Magpul stock on there. Obviously it's a new thing for us, a new product theoretically. I mean, I've been able to do it for a while, but we've obviously got the new website, and now we've been able to streamline, you know, creating it as a listing with obviously a drop-down upgrade thing. It's, you don't have to phone up to kind of get this custom work done anymore. You can kind of order it through the website, which is cool. So yeah, so hopefully you like the look of the gun, and this is exactly what you're looking for. Nice big battery. We hope you enjoy. Any problems with the build or specification, let us know before it gets sent out. But otherwise, we hope you enjoy it. Thank you.